Most woodworkers would agree that it's not possible to be too accurate when you're laying out joinery or marking the location of cabinet hardware. Even minor inaccuracies can create problems, and correcting minuscule layout errors takes time and can compromise the quality of your project. Then why do so many woodworkers use less accurate combination squares for precise layout work? Woodpeckers' new precision T-squares will enable you to do all kinds of joinery layout with exceptional accuracy. Whether you're laying out mortises, tenons, rabbets, or the location of hinges and other cabinet hardware, these innovative T-squares ensure the exact markings required for first-class woodworking. Our T-squares are machined from a solid piece of aircraft-grade aluminum, where a broad, precisely machined lip registers solidly against the reference edge, and with a blade with a pair of scaled edges as well as microfine holes to guide your pencil. The holes are organized on the blade so you'll find it easy to exactly repeat any layout details. This special run of T-squares includes 3-inch sizes, 3-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch, plus 3 metric sizes, 200 mm, 150 mm, and 75 mm. The scale and marking hole increments are 1/32 of an inch for imperial sizes and 1 mm for metric. So consider Woodpeckers T-squares if you're looking for the precision tool for laying out mortises, tenons, rabbets, or the location of hinges and other cabinet hardware. You'll appreciate the accuracy of this tool the first time you put the tip of your pencil in a microfine hole and slide the square along the workpiece. Like all Woodpecker brand woodworking tools, Woodpecker's new T-squares are manufactured in our shop just outside of Cleveland, Ohio, in the USA.